everyone, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to clean your diffusers. So a lot of people don't know this, but you're actually supposed to be cleaning your diffuser after every single use. Not completely cleaning it, but at least wiping it down. So so let's say this just finished running. So you're gonna unplug it, and then you're going to dump out any excess water that's still in there. You're going to fill it with water, kind of run it around, and then you can get like a little towel or napkin and just wipe it all the way down. So this is after every single use. But every now and then it starts getting a little murky. It starts smelling like a bunch of oils mixed together, and you want it to smell clean. You know, you want it to be working properly. So the deep clean is probably like once every maybe 2 weeks. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All you're going to need for this are your diffusers. So I'm going to be cleaning 2 of our diffusers today. You're going to need some lemon oil, some water, and 10 drops of white vinegar. As you can see here, I have plenty. I have like a whole gallon, almost gallon and a half. You don't need that much, you just need 10 drops. You're just going to need this. You're going to fill up your diffusers halfway with water. So, for example, let's say your diffuser has like a little line where you're not supposed to go above that. You're going to fill it to half of that, so like about here, and then you're going to fill it with 10 drops of your white vinegar, and then we're going to do maybe like 2 or 3 drops of the lemon. What this is going to do is, as the diffuser starts diffusing that, it gets into all of these little crevices, and it's going to help us to clean it a little better and just get out any scents that are in there. So I'll show you how in a bit. So at this point, I'm going to let them run. Turn this on for 5 minutes. Okay. So it's now been 5 minutes, and since I had 2 of these running, I'm going to turn off this one. Okay, so I turned it off. Oh, I just turned it back on. I'm gonna unplug it. And then I'm just going to open this and dump the water out. So I'm just going to get my scrub, and I'm going to just go around it really, really gentle. You don't want to use a lot of soap because you don't want any soap to get stuck in there. And you also can't like submerge this in water because it has the plug-in thing. So even while we're cleaning this, we want to be careful not to get water in here or in the bottom.
I'm just going to run it under water and swivel it around, and then I'm going to get my cotton swab, and then I'm just going to go around in the middle, really gentle in this part, and just all the little crevices all around like that, just everywhere. This one's not that dirty, but sometimes when I've done this, like some really nasty stuff comes out, so that's why it's important to be cleaning it frequently.
So here I just wanted to show you guys an example of kind of like how dirty it can get. So I'm just going to be cleaning it kind of like around that, and you'll see it's really nasty. So you want to go just all around, maybe flip it around, and then just do the middle really gentle. And in case you didn't know, if you have the pedal diffuser, this part in the middle actually comes right off, and then just rinse it off. And you're going to want to leave this like on a towel or something, so it's not dripping wet.
And you can actually even clean the top of this as well. Sometimes this gets a little dirty as well. So this part you just clean completely, and it's sparkling clean, as you can see.
Then you just line this up with this, and you're going to get it right back in, press it down,